Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 15 power x plus 1 equals negative 30. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now, look at it here. If you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So, applying that here, we have 15 to the power of x times 15 to the power of 1 equals negative 30. So from here, I can isolate 15 power x by dividing this by 15, which is the same thing as 15 power 1, and also divide this by 15. So from here, this eliminates this. I simply have 15 power x equals negative 30 divided by 15. This is negative 2. So I can apply natural log. I have natural log of 15 power x equals natural log of negative 2. So we need to find the value of natural log of negative 2. But before then, consider this. If you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log a. So applying this right here, I have x times natural log 15 equals natural log. This is negative 2. I can express it as negative 1 times 2, because negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So from here, what I would do is to consider this identity as well. Now, if you have natural log a times b, this equals natural log a plus natural log b. Applying this right here, I will have x times natural log 15 equals natural log negative 1 plus natural log 2. So from here, let's consider this identity. If you have e to the power of I times pi plus 1 equals 0, pushing this over here, we have e to the power of I times pi equals negative 1. So let's replace negative 1 with e power I times pi. That means we have x times natural log n of 15 is x. Natural log 15 equals natural log of e to the power of I times pi plus natural log 2. And we consider this identity again. Remember, if you have natural log a power p, this equals p times natural log a. Applying this right here, what you are going to get will be x times natural log 15 equals natural log. This I pi will come behind this, so we simply have I times pi times natural log of e, and from here you have plus natural log 2. So right now, this eliminates this. We have x times natural log 15 equals I times pi plus natural log 2. So we are solving for x, and divide this by natural log 15. I divide this by natural log 15. This eliminates this. So what I'm going to get as a result is x equals I times pi plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 15. So from here, we have x equals I times pi divided by natural log 15 plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 15. So this is our answer. We can even further simplify this. For instance, if you have natural log a divided by natural log b, this equals natural log a to the base of b. Applying that here, what I will have is x equals I times pi divided by natural log 15 plus natural log 2 to the base of 15. So this becomes our answer. So from here, we can consider another approach using another solution for or another variable for -1. Remember, equation remains 15 power x plus 1 equals -30. And as usual, a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. Applying this right here, I have 15 power x times 15 equals 30. So right now, this is -30. I can isolate 15 power x by dividing this by 15 and dividing this by 15. So from here, this eliminates this. I have 15 power x equals, this divides this, we have -2. So it's time to apply natural log of natural log 15 power x equals natural log of -2. So right here, remember, this we can express it as natural log of -1 times 2. And this is natural log 15 power x. And also, consider this, don't forget this, that if you have square root of -1 this time around, this equals I. And if you decide to take the squares, this will eliminate this. That means -1 equals I power 2. So that means this -1 here is the same thing as I power 2. So we simply have natural log 15 power x equals natural log of, this is I power 2 times 2. So also, if you have natural log a times b, this equals natural log a plus natural log b. Applying that here, we have natural log 15 power x equals natural log, this is I power 2 plus natural log 2. Just apply this identity here. And from here, let's consider this other one. Natural log a power b equals b times natural log a. So that means the 2 comes behind this and the x comes behind it. So we simply have x times natural log 15 equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 2. So from here, I isolate x by dividing this by natural log 15. Also divide this by natural log 15. This eliminates this. I simply have x equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 15. So from here, we can simply have x equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 15 plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 15. So from here, you can simply have it this way. You can have x equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 15. Then this is plus natural log 2 to the base of 15. Remember, if you have natural log A divided by natural log B, this equals natural log A to the base of B. So this also becomes our answer. Now here we have 2 times natural log I, but in this other part here, we have I times pi, but every other thing remains the same. So that means 2 times natural log I is the same thing as I times pi. So guys, this is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.